Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. On this step in today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore the deleted designs on Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Canva app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, sign in, and at the top left corner, you can see there's a three-line menu. Tap on it. There you can see there's Home, Magic Studio, Projects, Templates, Brand, Apps, Create a Team, and Trash. You have to select Trash, go inside it, and search for the design you want to restore. Once you find the design you want to restore, you can see there's a three-dot menu right above that design. Tap on it and select Restore. That can be found at the bottom of your screen right beside Home. And guys, that's it. That's how you restore the design that you deleted in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.